What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So as I was creating this video and going through the title and thumbnail and what I wanted to talk about and what I plan to do if we do see lower prices with Terra Luna Classic, and we started to see a trend of obviously things that were falling down, but Terra Luna Classic kind of hit some sort of a growth spurt in the last, I don't know, hour or so, right? So planning out this video, actually recording this video and everything, the idea, and obviously I'm hoping we can see something pull back a little bit so that we can have that buy zone. But Terra Luna Classic was approaching a buy zone, and I think it still may continue to approach that buy zone if we see the entire market pull back with it. Now, I'm not sure if the market will continue that route because it's definitely difficult to time exactly where the market's going. It's definitely difficult to say when things are going to be on an absolute bullish run, especially in a time like today where inflation is just running rampant. You have businesses that are sort of thriving, but then not thriving at the same time, complaining that, we're in a recession, but they're having some of the highest revenue numbers that we've ever seen, some of the highest bottom line numbers that we've ever seen for certain companies, that is. But I wanted to talk about Terra Luna Classic in this video, go through what's going on with the position, why I believe that, we're approaching that buy zone, why I'm thinking that it is a buy zone. And this is simply just a strategy for me. I'm not saying that you do the exact same thing. Usually when people just copy someone else and don't have the same mindset, it doesn't really work out well for them. So you want to make sure that you have a right head on your shoulders, or the right head on your shoulders. And, you can manage this the right way and strategize this the right way. So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out some of my links down below, you can definitely check out those links. One of those being for Twitter, at Perry8K. You can follow me there. You can type it in at Perry8K, or you can just click the link. Or you can go over to the Patreon, link is in the description, and we have a lot of stuff related to the NFA channel, related to other newer cryptocurrencies, different day trades and swing trades and all of that other type of stuff. We haven't been active lately because of, children being sick. I just want to, be upfront and transparent with you. But we do plan on being a lot more active there. And, that's something that I have free reign to really do and review anything that I want to without fear of demonetization or anything. So if you want to go through certain things, we can always go through certain things. But anyways, that's enough of that. Let's talk about Terra Luna Classic. Let's show where it is. And then, we can talk about why I believe that, where we're approaching, or where we were approaching, is a buy zone there. So let's look at this. So currently we're seeing Terra Luna Classic at 0.0002553. It's up 1% right now. We did see that things were down, but Terra Luna Classic is looking pretty good. As you can see kind of at the bottom of this screen, you can see the chart and how things look like it's a straight line up. And that's exactly how it just acted in the last hour or so. And it's pretty interesting to see how much it has grown from those low levels that we saw today of 0.0002430 to a high level of 0.0002589, and where we actually stand of 2552. So anyways, if we look at Terra Luna Classic and look at the market cap, the current market cap is at 1.5 billion. You can look at the circulating supply. We look at the max supply, that hasn't really changed. We look at the overall volume. We can see the volume has increased. It's up 20%. I know we have some pretty interesting news with the 0.2% burn that has gone live, right? And is being supported, or not gone live yet, I don't believe. But anyways, is being supported by KuCoin and being supported by Gate.io and all this other stuff, but in an on-chain perspective rather than an off-chain. I haven't gotten anything that says this is off-chain. Somebody else has said that this is off-chain and all this stuff, but I haven't seen anything yet. So feel free to let me know in the comment section below if you do see that. But in the last hour or so, we have seen this run a little bit, going from a low here of 0.0002449 all the way up to this high point of 0.0002580. So obviously with that growth, it just looks absolutely fantastic. And it's not looking like it's approaching that buy zone. It's looking like it's growing a little bit too much. And you're right. I mean, it is growing a little bit too much. And I'm saying that approaching the buy zone for me would be a lot lower. It's not at a buy zone. It wasn't at a buy zone for me. I feel as though what I want to see is more of a 30% gain. And that's what I want to accept as a short-term gain if I am going to make an investment. So people always ask me and say, hey, Matt, when are you going to buy any more Terra Luna Classic? I know you got in at a low price, but when are you going to buy Terra Luna Classic? But understand how low of a price I actually got in. I spent $40 on this and gained so much Terra Luna Classic to where it's now worth a total with realized and unrealized gain $16,000, right? $40 to $16,000 is a huge move. If I invest another $1,000, I'm taking away from my realized gain there, which is okay if you can find a short-term play. It's not anything that you should be investing long-term again because you're just raising your cost basis. So we will see how all of this plays out, but my overall strategy is to see it at 0.0002 or around that area, 0.0002 or 0.00021, something like that, and make that investment to see that grow up to 0.0003, right? And the reason why I want to see that grow to that level is because that is a 33% increase. 30 to 35% increase is where I stand and what I want to see for a short-term gain, something that may happen within a month. And I take the $1,000 and turn it into $1,300 and collect $300. It's not going to be anything that I'm looking for anything crazy. I just want to collect the $1,000 that I put in there and collect a little bit extra in the end. So I'm looking for the right buy zones for me, at least, before we can see this absolutely run. And I also have to see other factors that play into this, not only just looking at what it's doing right now or what the history has done. I want to see what's going on with the burn tax, what's going on with utility, what's going on with so many other things that we can end up benefiting off of, or I can end up benefiting off of, and anybody else making that same move could benefit off of. But I just want to let you guys know that if I'm looking for a buy zone, around that 21 or 20 mark, and you're looking at that same buy zone, make sure that you guys have a strategy in place and don't just copy my strategy, which will be incomplete for you because you will not know majority of the output or majority of the decision making that goes behind all of this, because I'm not going to be live while I'm doing it. If I was live while I was doing it, then you would know exactly where I'm coming from, but it would also be at a 15-second delay, which you would be copying it, kind of move for move or anything like that, which is not a good deal. You want to develop your own strategy. You want to be able to make money by yourself, because if I'm not here, you can find a way to make yourself money and, have that successful strategy to do it again and again and again. So anyways, Terra Luna Classic is approaching the buy zone. For me, I mean, right now it's kind of, increasing and skyrocketing. So we will see what happens the rest of the day, the rest of the month, the rest of the week, all that other type of stuff. I know that we're getting a little bit of a kick because of the fact that we have new news with this 0.2% with KuCoin, with Binance, with all of this other stuff that may end up supporting the 0.2%. And seeing maybe a little bit more volume that flows through on-chain, which would be great. But if we're not seeing an increase in on-chain volume, we're just going to see it come right back down to the point that it was, or the place that it was. So anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think about this. Hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. I'm going to get out of here, and I will catch you guys in the next video.